Good morning from a really grey and dreary Florida. It's currently 75 degrees. However, today we've got wind advisories, storm advisories. I think that was some lightning. Tornado watch. We've got a cold front coming through. So by this afternoon, the temperature is going to drop to 55 degrees, I think.
This afternoon
It's going to be cold. We got rain coming, all that good stuff. And tonight, the temperature's dropping to 38 degrees, which isn't that far above freezing. And we're getting picked up at 5 a.m, so it's going to be a bit cold tomorrow morning. But not to be put off, we are the Joneses. We deal with it, don't we? Yep. We don't. Okay, Sandra says we don't deal with it, but we do. We're going to have fun. We're going to do what we can today. We do have an advance DAS for Splash Mountain, but I'm not sure we're actually going to get on it. And to be perfectly honest, I don't think I want to get wet today. Not like yesterday when we come off Cali River Rapids. I was wringing my clothes out. So I will get back to you when we're in the Magic Kingdom. We're just waiting for the bus now, so see how long we have to wait. That's it, we're in. Our last park day. Weather hasn't seemed to deter anybody. There's still plenty of people here. Let's go see what that castle looks like when the sky's black like that. That looks pretty dramatic.
So no one gets
You wouldn't believe that it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. It's so dark. That sky. I have to say though, it's great because we don't have the crowds. I'm not sure whether what I prefer, the crowds and the nice weather or the bad weather and the no crowds. It's a bit of a dilemma for a sun-loving introvert, that's for sure.
No crowds, nice weather, that will never happen.
No. But we are, look, the heavens are going to open any moment. What?
I need the umbrella now.
Why do you need the umbrella? You've got a rain jacket.
It's
Put your hood up.
Yeah, my
yeah, the umbrella's not going to help your legs.
dang it.
We're heading to our DAS for Pirates because the heavens are just about to absolutely open and dump on us. The Pirates was fun and it got us out of the worst of the storm. There was a really big storm that came through and we had a lightning strike right outside, so we were quite lucky. Just found shelter again because we're now playing Dodge the Rain. We're trying to head towards Sleepy Hollow for a Nutella waffle. Sleepy Hollow's that way. We've managed to get a seat outside Sleepy Hollow and Xander's tucking into his funnel cake. And Rich and I are sharing fruit. Look, my mother would be so proud. We've got the Nutella and fruit waffle. Hot chocolate and coffee in our Disneyland mugs because, you know, who wants to get confused? But anyway, we're doing okay. I think the worst of the rain's over, so we'll see. Who knows? This is Florida. I have to say, now that the storms have stopped and we just have steady rain, I am enjoying the lack of people because it's been super crowded all week. So yeah, it's raining. Yes, there are puddles. But this is good. We are off to... Where are we going now? Peter Pan. We're off to Peter Pan. Oh! Who have we got here? It's the Ugly Sisters. It's the Ugly Sisters. Ha 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 ha. Maybe I was a little bit premature. We've just come round the corner to this So yes, it is still pretty crowded, but it's time for us to fly.
You can fly, you can fly, you can fly, you can fly. What? You can fly. What? You can.
We've got the rainy day cavalcade, so hopefully at 2:30, which is the next one, the weather will have cleared up enough to watch the actual parade. And because we haven't seen it and we really want to see it. It's only just started again. It's been going for like 3 days. Oh, it's beginning. There's Donald. It's the Seven Dwarfs.
The other person just standing there walking and just dancing.
Well, that was short and sweet, but it was fun. Sorry, it's a lot of loud music. Never seen it before, so that's something new for us. We are heading over to Haunted Mansion because Splash Mountain is down. Our advanced selection DAS we can use at any time between 12 and 1 on any of the rides, so we're going to do it on Haunted Mansion.
Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
It looks like the rain has stopped. Now the wind is starting. Although I believe the tornado watch is gone now. We are heading out onto Small World. Definitely feel the temperature starting to drop. It is just going to keep getting colder today, and we don't know how long that wind's going to last for, so we'll see. I don't care, I'm at Disney World. Who's gone down? The order of the day is definitely just going with the flow. So now we're gonna get a snack and a hot drink before going on Buzz, and then hopefully we'll be able to see the parade at 2:30 before dinner. Alexander, just stand here. You can see you're not in anyone's way here. was a bit stupid.
Wait, what?
We've just left Magic Kingdom. Wow, some people got absolutely no consideration. I said to Rich, I'm just whinging and whinging and whinging. I sound like a right miserable old bat, but I'm not really. I just don't like inconsiderate people. Don't like people very much, but there you go. Inconsiderate people I really don't like. We're heading to the monorail now because we have got dinner at the Polynesian at Ohana. I am so excited about that.
So these people, we were waiting at the...
We were just waiting for the cast member to do his thing.
And then a guest came up, lowered down the bar, and then just let everyone walk through. Didn't even...
You need to keep it in front of your face. You're waving it all around.
Sorry. They just lowered the thing and just left it on the floor, and the cast member didn't even do anything about it.
Well, the cast member picked it up, but there wasn't much you could do about it.
And
It's actually taking it down. It's impossible to take it down.
Yeah, but they were...
And earlier we were, this person stood in front of this kid in a stroller. They had to take the kid out of the stroller.
Yeah.
And this guy was smoking in the park. This guy was smoking in the middle of the park, and was it Fantasyland?
Yep.
In Fantasyland. People. Oh my god, bubbles are taking over. I'm gonna have to stop this here.
Somebody's starting to get a bit tired now. Our first ever visit to the Polo. Oh, I can get Stitch in here.
Ohana merch.
Right, Ohana's where we're going. This has got a nice smell to it as well. We've just been sat down for our dinner at Ohana. This is a first for us. It's lovely here. That's the grill in there. And then this. Oh no, I don't know if you can actually see that. It looks really bright. But we can see the Magic Kingdom from here. Unfortunately, the view of the castle is blocked, but we can see Space Mountain, which is right there. Oh, I can see the castle. I'll come over on this side. The castle is right there. Right there. So this is served family style. So we have a salad and pull-apart bread with honey butter. This is the drink list because it's served family style. You don't actually get to choose anything, but the back scratcher comes with an actual back scratcher. Some good-looking cocktails on here. I'm going to go for a pucker punch. I hope I'm pronouncing that. Right. Oh. Lots of different drinks, and then you've got your ales and your wines and all the rest of it. Didn't do a very good job of that.
Very strong lemonade.
Very strong lemonade. You like strong lemonade though, don't you? This is the iridescent sipperbration.
Alright, leave it.
It's it.
Oh wow. That was it.
It's gone.
The house favorites. Teriyaki noodles, honey coriander chicken wings, pork dumplings, salad tossed in a garlic chili sauce, and some roasted broccolini.
Yum.
All right, let's enjoy.
Thank you. It's broccoli.
Broccoli.
Right, so far on our table, what was that?
I don't know.
That's beef, isn't it?
Yeah, or pork.
No, I think that's beef. Beef tenderloin.
Yeah.
Beef tenderloin. Oh, teriyaki, that's it. Teriyaki, and then we've got chimichurri chicken. And then we've got the pork wontons, the Ohana noodles, the broccolini, and the coriander chicken wings, honey coriander, I think. And then this I'm really looking forward to. The peel and eat shrimp. And my puka punch, of course. This is the Hawaiian wedding song. He's serenading a couple at the table that are celebrating their 32nd wedding anniversary. Taking a break.
All the servers are boys.
Okay. You're still chowing down on yours over there.
Ice cream, Rice Krispies. Ooh. That's with vanilla bean salted caramel sauce. Yes, sir.
I don't know about you guys, but I'll take care of
Thank
Welcome,
you.
buddy.
it. I'll eat it soon.
Thank you, Boyson.
Thank
I
you.
did
Let's
the
go.
Rice Krispies.
Wow.
You got the Rice
Wow. Wow. Excited to try this Ohana bread pudding. I don't even know what bread pudding is. I've never had bread pudding before.
Yeah, because you've never been here.
No, I know, but I've heard of bread and butter pudding, but I've never heard of bread pudding.
Well, this is definitely not bread butter pudding.
But this is apparently it's famous for this stuff, so. I won't like it, no.
Can't have any. Can't have any. Health and safety. Not allowed. Not allowed. Horrible.
You're just eating Rice Krispie cakes. Super nice.
You won't like it. Okay.
Oh, wow. There's a reason why this stuff is so popular. I like this. It's still the same day, the sun's shining. We just got off the monorail, we finished at Ohana. We had an absolutely fabulous meal. I think the only criticism was it felt like we were rushed. It was really quick. It's like they were just trying to get us through. But, you know, other than that, the food, and now I know why people rave about that Ohana bread pudding. It was out of this world. What did you like best about that dinner?
The juice.
The juice, the iridescent separation.
Yeah. It was like
It was
that.
everything was good. Come
like
off
a-
Space Mountain. We're heading over to Big Thunder. Temperatures dropping quite rapidly. And then we're going on Seven Dwarfs, I think.
Yeah.
But all in all, weather notwithstanding, we've had a really good last day. Did you enjoy that, Xander?
Yeah.
Well, that's us heading out of the Magic Kingdom. Last park of the trip. Aww, we're sad. It's gone really, really quickly this time as well. It has. I don't know why. Just maybe we had more fun this time. We have walked a lot. So we are, that's it, we're out, heading towards the exit. Say goodbye to the railway station. I'm going to end the vlog here for today. We've got to get up super early tomorrow morning. Clocks go back tonight as well. So, hold on. Someone's trying to do his thing.
leave a subscribe and like. I can't.
You can't do it. It's too tired. Don't forget to like.
Too sad.
You're too sad. Oh, he's too sad. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And it does really help us out. So from the Magic Kingdom, a very tired good night.